All right, you might wonder what we do with your hearing aids in the back when we take them and clean them. So after we clean them, we clean up your microphones, put on new filters if they need. We actually take your ear molds off, and they're actually going to go into the ultrasonic over here to get cleaned, and they kind of go into a cleaning solution. So I'm going to put these in here, let those start washing. And then the other thing that we do is we kind of clean up the receivers, and this is the little speaker that is down in your ear. So we get all the junk off that. If this filter needs replaced, we will do that. This one looks pretty good though, so we'll just leave it. But then we have a test box. And so what's neat about this test box is it plays a calibrated tone, and then it monitors what the hearing aid is doing. And so that's really nice because that gives us a really objective way to kind of see what the hearing aid's doing and be sure that it's working up to specs. So once this is ready to go, I'm going to put it into the test box here. And so in here, this little piece hooks up to the computer. This is a microphone that plays the sound into your hearing aid, and then the hearing aid listens and it reproduces that sound. And then there's a microphone in here where the computer listens to what the hearing aid is actually doing. So that way we can see if there's any changes or if maybe the hearing aid isn't doing quite what it should be. So then on the software, we've got a couple different tests that we run. So once we put it in here, come on over. I'm just going to go ahead and hit go here. So this is going to start running a test, and it looks like this hearing aid is a little bit low in a couple frequencies, so we may need to check it out a little bit closer. But here's the next test, and you can see it's pretty close to this blue line. So this hearing aid is getting a little bit older. We may need to send it in for repair. Yep, a couple of these are off. So this is what we don't want to see. But it's nice to know this because then if something's starting to go wrong with the hearing aid, it lets us know, and that way we can take action to get that corrected. But those are a couple things that we do, and that's one of those things that you don't really see that's going on here, but it's an extra way that we're taking care of you and trying to do everything we can to be sure you're hearing the best that you can and also keep your hearing aids working as well as they can. So we'll see you again.